Make your camping easy. Camping gas stove. Hi everyone, I have two things that I would like to recommend to everyone in this video. It will make your cooking away from home easy. The first item is a camping gas stove. I bought this stove 4 months ago, but just try it for the first time now. Here is for the gas can. Remove the cap of the gas can first. Put into the space for the can. Put it in securely. Close the lid of box. Push down gas can lock. Turn gas on. I can use the camping gas stove now. 1 can of gas can be used for about 90 to 120 minutes. You can adjust low heat or high heat. Starter charcoal. The second item that will make it easier to cook a barbecue or for camping is a starter charcoal bucket. It has lots of holes below and also a handle to protect from the heat. We put charcoal inside as much as we want. Then take it and put on camp stove fire. It's burning now. You can see the fire underneath. Starting charcoal is easy, isn't it? Say goodbye to the old methods. After the coal have been burned to the top, pour them into the barbecue grill. If you like this video, please click the button right and share with your friends. If you haven't yet pressed the subscribe button, please subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Ready to cook the barbecue now? Our barbecue has beef, pork, chicken and sausage. It's work very delicious. Thank you for watching. See you next video.